Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Record. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is a video most of the users are waiting for, the performance comparison between the both of the smartphones in terms of the antutu benchmark test. So in this video, I'll be comparing both the antutu benchmark tests side by side in both of the smartphones. So let's see friends, how much the score difference will it be there from the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor from the Realme X2 Pro versus the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. So this is a processor which I am using currently in the Realme X7 Pro with a 8GB RAM variant, and both phones are the 8GB RAM variant at the moment. And let's see friends, how much the score difference will it be there in both the smartphones. And in case if you want to know what live wallpapers I am using currently here, try to check the links in description. You can find this kind of amazing good looking live wallpapers. So let me try to show you the antutu benchmark score comparison side by side. So as you can see friends, these are the score comparison between both of the smartphones. And you can see here the score from the Realme X2 Pro is about 4,30,000 and the Realme X7 Pro is of 5,30,000 around. And the overall difference is of 1 lakh difference between both of the smartphones. And one thing is that the Realme X2 Pro score varies from sometimes from 4,30,000 to 4,70,000 as well. And this can be different from one user to other user depending on the how many applications you're using, how much of free storage you're having at the moment. And this is a score, you can consider the average from 4,30,000 to 4,70,000 as well in the Realme X2 Pro. So this is a score comparison between both of the smartphones here. So as I said, this is another antutu benchmark score which I have taken very long back using another version of 8.3.1. So at the time the score was around 4,64,000 and sometimes it was around 4,85,000. As I said, the score is not consistent from time to time whenever you do the test here. So overall you can consider the maximum which got recorded here and the minimum. So this is the overall score which got in the Realme X2 Pro. So but right now let's consider this score because of the version which is kind of close to each other as well. So here we are seeing the difference of about 1 lakh difference. So there's a difference between the CPU as well, you can see here. So in terms of the CPU, there's a little bit of difference here, close to 40,000, and the GPU you can see there is a 20,000 difference between both of the processors. So overall friends, in terms of the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, so this is the first time I'm using this processor and I'm not sure whether the phone will get heat or the games will perform best or not. So definitely it should perform best considering the high-end processor here. So I'll keep you updated regarding the battery temperature heating problems, is there anything or not in this mobile phone while charging, while gaming, and while doing regular activities as well. So stay tuned for that video. And overall these are just a quick comparison between the Realme X2 Pro and the X7 Pro. So in case in the future if the X7 Pro is launching with the same processor, then you should know how much difference is there. Is it worth to spend an extra 5,000 or 10,000 for this mobile phone for this kind of performance or not? So you should know all these things before the phone get launched in India. So that's why I'm trying to make this kind of plenty of comparison, display, antutu, camera, loudspeaker, and so many other comparisons will be coming in the upcoming days as well. And thank you for watching this video friends, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos as well. Make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and do check the links in description for the playlist of the all other smartphones. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.